Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Elliott, aka Apartment Bartender. Welcome to Coffee Break with Instant, except we're gonna be making it a little boozy. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Lavender Espresso Martini. So for this recipe, we're gonna be using the Instant Dual Pod Plus coffee maker. Now what I love about this is you can make espresso, you can make a cup of coffee, and it's the only coffee maker that's compatible with K-cup pods and espresso capsules. It also has a bold function that allows you to adjust the strength for the best brew results for your coffee. So with this, we're gonna be brewing some espresso for the espresso martini. So the first step and hardest step, which isn't hard at all because the Instant Dual Pod Plus coffee maker makes it really easy, is brewing your espresso. After that, just get your ingredients rounded up. Here we have some vodka, which we're gonna be using in this cocktail, and a lavender syrup, which is delicious and simple to make. All you need to do is combine equal parts sugar, water, and about a tablespoon of dried lavender. A little bit goes a long way and adds a really nice flavor to this cocktail. So for this, we're gonna be using a cocktail shaker. You're gonna wanna combine all your ingredients into your cocktail shaker, add ice and get it shaken up. So let's get to it. So first step, we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're gonna add in 1 ounce of fresh espresso. The coffee maker makes 2 ounces at the lowest measurement. So unless you're making 2 espresso martinis, which is always a great idea, you only need 1 ounce. So pour half of that in. And then next step, add half an ounce of your lavender syrup. Add ice and get it all shaken up. So after you get this cocktail shaken up, you're gonna wanna get a coupe glass or a martini glass. Now you're going to strain the drink into your glass. And what I love about this cocktail is just that nice layer of foam that you get on top where you can rest your garnish. Now a drink is never done until it's garnished. So for this cocktail, you can either use some espresso beans, but here, because we added lavender to this cocktail, just gonna add a pinch of dried lavender to the top for garnish. Now what that does is add a really nice aroma to the drink, but also enhances the presentation and aesthetics, which if you're making drinks at home that are this quality, you wanna take time to garnish it. So there you have your Lavender Espresso Martini. Really easy to make, and it's an amazing cocktail. For more recipes like mine and lots of others, be sure to subscribe to the Instant YouTube channel or download the Instant Connect app. Cheers, guys.